Hello everyone! The first thing I want to wish you is to have a 2019 full of success and amazing moments and to achieve all your goals. I created this video to share my own plans and resolutions about the upcoming 12 months, and I would really love to involve you in all of them. The first thing I'm going to do within the upcoming year is a new set of videos, actually two sets of videos. The first one would be connected to a lecture I had. This is a picture of me at the lecture actually, at the gathering of Bulgarian photographers a few months ago. Whoever was there had a chance to meet me and to see my funny stories and hear them firsthand. But for all those who couldn't actually, I decided to turn the presentation into a video series. They are full with really funny stories. I hope you'll like them. And I, hope that there will be some feedback on them. Anyway, the second set of video series would be about a photographer codes of conduct, which means that there are some rules that you should abide by while working. So I think this is really important. And those videos will be available both in Bulgarian and in English since, I guess that it would be only right to cater to all, non-English speaking subscribers. So, off we go to the next plan I have. It is a challenge. For years, I've been really interested in those, photographic challenges. It's New Year and you start your career anew and you get something interesting out of it and you boost your creativity. That's why I created a challenge myself. But about that, I'll talk in a different video, just to be on the safe side. But what you need to know here is that it comprises of 52 weeks and you have 3 topics for each week. More about this in another video. 2019 would be a year full of projects. As usual, Culture Crossroads would be gaining momentum. I'll be doing more videos on that, more behind the scenes footages, and of course more text for you to read. Hope that you'll be interested in the stories behind the shots, of course. They'll keep going on as usual. But this is not the only thing. If you want to know more about this, keep track of the Facebook page of the project and the blog. But there is something new. This year I'm working on a mini project which is sort of connected to Culture Crossroads, and it's rephotography. Rephotography means taking pictures of places that had been photographed, say 100 years ago, from one and the same angle. For example, places like this one. This is one of the most famous churches in Bulgaria now. And this is under construction, which is maybe 100 years ago. This one is a picture of the Bulgarian Palace of the Tsar, now a gallery. Again, this is one of the places I intend to photograph. Probably not from this angle though. Those images I owe to lostbulgaria.com and Bulgarian Color webpage. Amazing things. I'll be using a lot of old materials. So this is one of the, maybe upcoming projects I have, and I'll be doing a video solely on this to explain and show you what I have in mind. The other project I have is connected to the book series about the Russian underground by Dmitry Gluchovsky. It's an amazing book series. I read the books and I just had an idea like this. So I'll be working on this, and there will be a lot of field work, but this project I'll be showing you when I have something really ready. I promise it will be exciting. Having said all that, I want to wish you once more good luck and stay focused, and see you soon.